Good morning children, welcome back to the English lesson. Now, lesson part 2, the selfish giant part 2. So in the part 1, what happened? The giant did not allow the children to play in his garden. So, and after waiting for a few months, what did not come? Spring did not enter. Who was there in the garden? Snow, frost, and they invited hail and the north wind. These were only staying the whole year, not even changing of the seasons. So the same season was continuing the whole year. So he was irritating with the same cold weather and everything. So every day he used to wait for the spring, and the spring did not come. One day, while he was sleeping, he heard something, some bird, singing of bird. So when he woke up and he thought that there may be any king's musician of the king was passing by the garden, and he was singing like that. So, and when the sudden thought, he stood up from the bed and just came down and see. And he saw when he was surprised. The spring came into the garden, and there are blossoms on each and every tree. Because what was the reason behind it? There was he built a wall around his garden, no? So there was a small corner, that there was a hole in the wall, and the children were coming through this hole, and they entered the garden. They stood on each and every tree. When each and every chain touches the tree, suddenly the snow and frost went up from the garden, and the spring entered along with the children. So when he came down, he found that there are children each and every tree. He understood that. So with the children, along with the children, the spring. And when he sees, when they come and see, when they saw the giant, they scattered away again. And they went away again. As soon as they went out of the gate, the spring also went away. And again it became autumn. That means winter. All of a sudden it was happening. Now the giant understood what was going on there. Because the spring, what is meant by spring? Spring means the pleasant season. You don't know? Spring is the pleasant season. For us it is February. It is neither too cold nor too hot. So it's a pleasant season for us. So we can't, it is neither too cold nor too hot. It's a pleasant season. So spring means happiness here. So where is the happiness? Happiness is in the smiles of children. So when the children are coming, spring is coming. When children are going out, spring also went out. So he understood now. That's why he did not shout at them, but they went outside. He saw each and every garden. The whole garden was with a bloom. Bloom means so all flowers bloom, like flowers are there, sprouts are buds are there, flowers are there, and they bloom, and everything was happening. But only in the corner and one tree, so there is still winter. It is still in a silver color. There is still snow and frost and everything. So what happened? He saw there. So there was a little boy was there, and he was crying bitterly. Everyone moved outside, but the small child did not go by seeing, because he did not see. There were tears in his eyes. When he has tears in his eyes, he could not see clearly that the giant was coming. So he did not see the giant coming, and he just was crying because he could not catch the tree. He was too small to climb up the tree. He was too small. He cannot catch the tall tree, and he could not sit up on the tree. He could not climb the tree. So he was crying bitterly and bitterly. The giant, seeing the scene, the giant's heart was melted. So he came there and took the child gently. Giant means the big body, no? So he took the small child gently in his hand and put him in the tree. Suddenly, for that tree also, it came spring season. The child swan, frost and everything went away, and there also the child was so happy. Now the child, until then he was crying. Now the child, and he put his arms around the neck of the child and kissed the child. He put his arms around the neck of child and kissed him. So the child felt very happy. Really, that is a happy. He understood that it is a happiness. So he was, by seeing this scene, the other children were also coming back again. When they entered again into the garden, again spring came to the whole garden. Spring came with the whole garden. Now there are each and every child on each tree, and there is spring everywhere. Spring means what does it mean? Spring means happiness. Where does happiness lie? Happiness lies in the smiles of the children. So now the child understood what was going on there. So what did he do? He allowed all the children. Now you need not to go anywhere. So now these children, the tall girl, short boy, everyone, they were saying, oh, it is very happy now. We are very happy to play here. Now the road is very dirty. Now here no stones, small stones. I am very happy here. The flowers are very beautiful. The trees are very good. I am very happy here. Like that they are again talking. Now the giant understood what was his mistake. He became too selfish. That he did not help. He thought that the garden was his own. When he thought selfishly, the spring wanted to teach him a lesson. So he did not enter the garden, and when the children came, so the spring came. So now he understood. And already he constructed a wall now. So he took an axe, a great axe, and so all wall, whatever he constructed was he removed again. Now he allowed every child into his garden. Here he invited also all of them to come every day and play in the garden. So this was going on for few years. Now he became old. Every day afternoon, as soon as their school over, children used to come to his garden. They used to play, enjoy and go. But the small boy who kissed him, the giant once asked these children, so where was the little boy? That day he kissed me. Where was he? To which area does he belong to? He asked. But no one knows who he was. No one knows. I don't know. We have not seen him here. He belongs to maybe another region. So we did not see. But the giant was waiting for him every day. But the giant did not come again. Few years over. Now the giant became old. He was unable to play with the children. He was just sitting in an armchair and enjoying the children playing. When the children are playing, he was sitting and enjoying. He was looking at them and they were playing. So one day, while he was sleeping up, he found that there was something changed in the garden. Something blooms, even though it is in the autumn season, something blooming. And he understood that, oh, he has come. So in such a way, even though he became old, he just leapt down, means jumped and came down within few steps. He came down and he just found him. He saw the little boy was there, whom he was waiting. He was waiting for the same child for years. The child came now. But seeing the child became angry. So little boy, what happened to you? Who had done this to you? Because the little boy had injuries all over the body. So there are injuries. What happened to you? Tell me. I'll take a sword and kill them. Who had given you wounds? Who had injured you? He asked. So and the little boy said, no. Nay means no. No. These are the injuries, wounds of love. These are must, necessary, compulsory. This is. So in such a way he said. So little boy, who are you? Now the giant understood that. Who are you? He said. And the little boy said that once you allowed me to play Creamy in your garden. Now I came here to take you to my garden. The little boy was once allowed to be played in the garden. The giant allowed him to play in his garden. He only put himself into the on the tree and just he enjoyed everything. Now the little boy came to take the giant away to another garden, to his garden, to the garden of the little boy. So what is this? What is it meant by? So it might be, he might be an angel. The little boy might be an angel. So and now it should be understood that so the giant became older and he is going to die now. Now after dying, where does he go? He has to go to the heaven. So that is the time to take him to the heaven. That's why the little boy said to him in such a way, now I will take you to my garden. So the garden which is forever, ever and ever, that will be last long forever. Every time they have to play. So the little boy came from there. So for this we might have understood that the little boy might be an angel. So he came once to change the mindset, the selfishness, to change the mindset of the giant at that time. Now he became very good. Now the selfish giant was not at all selfish now. So that's why he came to take him to the heaven. So that's the end of the lesson, children. I think you have enjoyed this. To read the lesson, you can understand. Thank you, children. Thank you very much.